Hi, I'm Emily from the Digital Arts Experience. I am commandeering Rob's tech tip of the day to let you guys know how you can create an awesome home setup. Working from home may be proving to be more of a challenge than you had originally thought, but having a good setup can make all the difference. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together a simple home technology setup that's really conducive to getting work done while you video conference. An optimal tech setup to work remotely will include a computer, a second screen, either a monitor or a TV, a mouse, headphones with a built-in microphone, and a decent chair. If your computer doesn't have a built-in webcam, you'll need one of those as well. Hook up your mouse via the USB slot on your computer, and hook up your second monitor via the HDMI port. You'll need to make sure that your second monitor is plugged in, and if you're hooking up to a television, you'll need to make sure to turn it on and select the correct input. When you get set up with your second monitor, you'll need to go into your display preferences to make sure you're not mirroring screens, and to set them up in the appropriate order so you can quickly get your mouse back and forth between them. Personally, I find it helpful to have one monitor dedicated to my video chat or an instructional video so that I can work on tasks in real time on the other screen. This way I'm not getting confused and flip-flopping through tabs. Make sure your headphones are plugged in before you begin a video call. This way the system can detect them ahead of time and hopefully mitigate any issues that might arise. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, share with friends, and leave a comment about your own home setup. And to learn more about the Digital Arts Experience and our awesome online group and private lessons, visit thedae.com, and we will see you in the next video.